Friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? So we have returned to a Tuesday, and that generally means in this area there's one company that does estate sales. MJ's does estate sales on Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. And so I'm sitting here about to go into the estate sale. This one didn't look that great for the things that I find. So, but the neighborhood, I didn't have to go very far. It's 5 miles from the house. It's right out from around the corner. So let's go see what we can find. All right, Tuesday estate sale. Let's see what we can find. Let's get you a better angle.
No.
Oh, this is one of the things that I want.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
The rest of it we'll put in the trash.
You want these scrapbooks?
No, ma'am.
I think you would.
I'll fight you for it.
Scrap sewing machine.
Yeah, scrap sewing machine. What I'm wanting is the pedal. And that's all I want. Pedal. I'm gonna trash that sucker. Yeah. What's that blue thing on?
Something fake too.
Wouldn't have no price. Okay.
And you too. And some of you can go behind me. There's a master bedroom if you want to go that direction. If you don't want to run where everybody else is.
Oh, sorry, excuse me.
So sorry.
There's one of these out in the garage. On the shelf.
Let's see how it over there. Excuse me.
There you go.
Let me find this guy. Where's my maid gentleman that I got the number?
Now we have a hold area. If you want to put stuff on hold up by the cash register, that way you don't have to carry everything while you're looking. You promised to take care of her.
I'm really hard.
And you're gonna pay for all her stuff, right?
Yep.
Sounds like a plan. Then we'll let him in. If he's got the money, we're gonna let him do it. I know. Our place was 70 degrees last weekend.
I don't know.
I don't know where it's all in. There's so much stuff in it.
I guess I pull the tag off if you want to buy some.
Yes, ma'am. You pull the white one off.
It was an old couple. One was oh, okay. That's my interpretation.
I don't know. They didn't just make up the term "dirty old men." Now you know what I'm watching.
He had a number. That's a big help. Thanks.
doing that with our chairs with that thing.
Write your date of birth on there.
Yeah.
I tried both ways and it never worked for me, so.
You know she changed it out?
Oh, she did?
Yeah, she changed it to her phone and she had it working.
This is your proof of purchase, you want to take. Alright, next time. This is your. And you gotta have like 4 hands. Oh, yeah, that's
Are you prepared for when she has? Oh, thank you. And then, I don't know if you ever.
You saw that, 'cause I got to have that.
Right there. Okay. And I got you. Are you ready?
It's a mirror.
Yes.
Shelves.
Yeah, but it's bigger. That thing has 3 lamps sitting on it. That's pretty good size.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not interested in clothes. Come on.
There's a big room on the other side if you want to check that out first. This one's packed out in here. Oh, from the other bedroom, the master? Okay. This one, so.
Make our way out of here. Small room. If you let us out, we'll let you in. Thank you. I'm moving on.
Here's the.
Oh, is that the one to, with the, y'all just moved in the last couple of years? Okay. Oh, wow, okay.
Woohoo, man!
Excuse me, I'm gonna put these.
All right, so you know sometimes when you you look at these estate sale pictures and you think there's, you can look and see quilters, you see a lot of other stuff, and you think, yeah, that's probably not in my ball game. And then you go, it's gonna take me a long time to do this haul portion of this video, so I'm gonna show you right here. I paid a remote. I got a remote for $1, and the reason why I bought that remote is that is when I recognize it goes to a dual player CD DVD that I purchased, so I always pick them up. It's generally worth a little bit of money, even by itself, $15-16, but I find that model quite frequently. You know, I saw the remote and I'm like, hot damn, after all this I'm gonna find that a dual player in here is gonna be worth $90-100. No such luck. Just a remote, no player. Sometimes that's how it goes. Hope you enjoyed the footage. You know, there's a lot of stuff in there I didn't take time to look up because it's just not stuff I know, and since I have so much inventory. But hey, put in the comments below, you know, things that you would have purchased, things that you think might have been worth some money. Try to go very slow and not move as much so that you can look at the detail into that. Hey, let's go somewhere where I am learning. This is the end of the estate video, but that's the beginning of Dollar General. Appreciate your watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share.